Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Toyota OEM part for my first gen Tacoma. This is the AC switch assembly. Here's the part number. Cool, straight from Toyota factory, or straight from official Toyota parts website, at least. I've been upgrading my truck if you've been following the channel, so got a lot of parts that I'm replacing that have been worn out or broken. So check it out. Wow. So this is the AC on or off switch. Beautiful, beautiful. The electrical contacts up there. Really cool. Mine's broken, so it'll be really exciting to replace this with this new part. Cool. Yeah, that's it. Hope you're all doing well. If you're watching this, let me know what other mods I should do to my first gen Tacoma. Cool. All right, everyone. Take care. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you for the next unboxing video. Later.